Our game this Thursday on the National Broadcasting Network. Ateneo taking on Perpetual as we send it over now to Mount Panganiban.
Yes, Noel. Let's go to the Philippine Army. First, Coach Rico Dixman and I were talking about this team very young and the stronger team on paper. Pero sabi niya, ngayon iniisip nila at kailangan nila ma-realize kung paano mako-complement ng strengths ng mga players nila, yung strengths ng iba, at kung paano nila mako-conceal yung weaknesses nila as a team. And speaking of complementing the team, the Army got Dakis from FEU and Manukay of UP as their guest players. And the reason behind this is before pa daw, silang dalawa na ang kinukuha ng Army to play for the teams in the leagues that they participate in. And the two never failed to perform. And now after the first set, Coach Rico reminded his team na mas patibayan ang reception lalo na pag crunch time. Although they got a very agile libero, hindi dapat umasa at dapat nating ipakita ang laro natin without hesitations or intimidation from the opponent, guys.
Well, Maya Manukay has to be backing up one of the best liberos right now. Ito si Patricia Shatan Torres.
Oh, yes.
And attack by Tina Salak goes wide.
Had the right area in mind. That went wide.
And right now, 9-5. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Mick Laborte to serve for Navy. Here's Torres. Salak goes to Bunag. Joanna Botor Carpio. Two Roses!
Two Roses on the power tip. And it has been two
Yeah.
for the Navy.
It's been Roses all the way, even in the first set nung Navy was down by 7 points. It was the blocking of Roses.
Actually, it's the
Kept them in it.
defense of the entire team
Right.
and the offense of Sue. That's how they won the first game.
So you're sort of looking for the offense now from people like that lady, Dalia Cruz, who finally gets her first point here in the second set, and Ging Balse. Yun yung 1-2 punch nila. Not to mention Michelle Carolino and Mayat Carolino. That's how
Dito sa
deep they
Navy,
are.
it's almost Sue Roses and Nene Bautista for offense.
Roses has to get it across. Here's Salak, goes the other way to Michelle Carolino.
And again,
Galito
credit
gets there.
the defense of the Philippine Navy.
Carolino tries again, and this time Galito says, I can't do that
Not on
twice.
the second time.
That's Michelle Carolino, MVP.
That's right. Sabi rin naman ni Michelle, not on the second time.
I mean, she's what, 30-something already, and she's still playing like she's a teenager. Amazing. Here's Cruzada. Salak now, running attack. Attack, but out from Cruzada. So Dalia Cruz now starting to wax hot.
Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin. Look at Cruzada. Alam niya kung saan dadalhin. She
Right.
was there. It's just that siguro yung conditioning, di ba?
Right.
But yung mental ability nandun pa rin Kampasang-basa
Ito ngayon, Michelle Carolino on the other end. Galino trying to keep it alive, and Laborte punched it back to Galino.
Tignan ko magaling mo.
Ang ganda ng rally na pinapakita rito ng Army, and now Zenaida Ibanez will have to call a timeout.
Yan si Nene para sa'yo. Ay, nako. Alam mo, you should get to know her, Minsan kausapin mo para malaman mo.
Oh, paluin ako niyan.
Ay!
We have yet to see her in action.
Huwag ka lang pabugbog, Pero, what a nice, really nice character.
So funny.
Ay! Hilarious.
Here's Carpio now, going to Roses.
Ayan.
Door slam by Tina Salak.
Ang laban ko kay Barry yan, Lumelevel yan kay Barry. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Tina Salak on that block now ties the score up at 10. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Bunag, Galido. Here's Cruzada. Earned back there by Dalia Cruz.
Again, save ball.
Salak tried to pull a fast one there.
And Sue Roses. Beach volleyball. Knuckle. Punch.
Yan ang nasaan ang zone 1 defenders nyo.
Ayan kitang-kita niya kung
Anim
nawala.
nandun lahat.
Ha?
6 nasa harap
Sinong
lahat.
dapat doon? And Sue just playing it smart. A lot of variations on her attack.
Nice serve there coming from Cruzada. Roses, however, could not get it across. And before touches, Galido misread the timing there. So it is now tied at 11. Pwede na yung free ball ni Galido yun. Kaya lang hindi niya nakitang hindi natapik. Tina Salak, one-time guest player also here. Very recently, actually, about 2 years ago. Bautista through the block.
And Nene Bautista really came in flying for that attack. Galing pa sa likod
It
eh.
looks like she's bothered by something though. She's punching the back of her hip. Looks like she might have pulled something on that attack.
Oh, grabe yung stretch niya.
Yeah.
Layo kasi na pinanggalingan niya.
Eh, kaka kay Noringo, napilita siya doon. And just getting a fingertip on that one. Is it in? Wow! That is a heroic save from
Exact-
Michelle Carolino.
Actually, a check ball called on
Right, pero tingnan mo yung
The
stretch niya
Navy.
rito. And
Oh.
boink. Ang galing, oh.
talagang
It actually fell in.
tips na
Yeah.
lang ng fingers.
It actually fell in. So
Fingertips.
it's now Dalia Cruz and Michelle Carolino combining to try to give Army back the lead, and a block here from King Balse.
Right, and
Or is that
when-
Michelle Carolino, rather?
True, and it went in as we can see it once again. Sue Rosas on the running hit, but
Michelle
Carolino with that offensive block.
So Carolino is now doing a Roses. Roses played so well in that first set. Carolino now starting to mirror that. Army up by 1. Roses attacking. This time is long.
This time, a long one.
And it's the Army's turn now to come back from a big deficit. They were down 10-5 at one point here in the second set. Now they're up 14-12. So it is now a 7-2 run here by Army. Bautista dug up there by Bunag. Mayat Carolino on the head of Joanna Botor Carpio. Oh, that is up. Dalia Cruz was nowhere near that ball.
Bunag tried to save it.
9-2 run right now. 9-3 run rather. So it's a very close second set once again. We're talking about veteran volleyball players
Oh, yes.
dito. Oh, nice diving save. Kept alive there by Mayat Carolino. Carpio, Rochina, Salak, Mayat Carolino, Carpio, Bautista. Oh, all that hard work did not pay off for the Army.
Well, that was just a single block coming from Mayet Carolino for Nene Bautista. Alam mo naman si Nene could really go down the line and last minute could go cross court, which she did.
And Roses with a very sharp serve. Balse into the face again of Joanna Bonor Carpio. They're attacking her head.
Ganyan talaga pag yung pwesto kasi ng setter, dyan talaga yung halos yung palo ng
Oo.
Quaker.
So now a 1-point lead for the Philippine Army. Michelle Carolino. Dying serve. There is no way you will feel that. It was a lifting violation to boot. So now it is a 2-point lead for Army, 16-14. Stay with us. We'll be right back. Perfect.